mission of the Baltimore Museum of Industry is to collect, preserve, and interpret the industrial and technological heritage by exploring the stories of Maryland's industries and their creative and productive.
I think I'm moving the bubbles.
Next door, General Ship is one of the few working boat yards remaining in the market and has been in the same family since 1984.
Domino sugar.
Oh! Look at that big boat right there. That's wrong.
South America, Caribbean, and Africa.
That's a long boat, right? You go under it, not on top. You go under it.
When the molasses and raw sugar are unloaded from the ship,
Go under that.
you can smell the sweet
Then
sugar.
go under it and go on top.
The outside is among the largest on the East Coast at over 70 feet tall. Overall, it is comparable in size to a basketball court, and the dock over the letter I is about 6.5 feet tall, where the average height of a professional basketball.
Smells the same.
We're alongside Domino Sugar right now, and this ship here, moment is not offloading raw sugar, but was and will be later, I'm sure. Ships are normally here for about a week, and when one departs, there's a lot of work within a day or so. Most of the production from this plant goes to a little town up in Pennsylvania you may have heard of called Hershey.
Oh, look at that big ship.
No, I saw it. No smoking.
You want me to take a picture for you guys? Okay.
And coming up on the starboard side, Under Armour's global headquarters. Under Armour is a Maryland-based company. It was founded by a football player from the University of Maryland. He developed the fabric. He started with a small business loan of $17,000. This is back in the late 80s. And this is what he's got now. Times change. Many of you probably have purchased some of their clothing. So now you know where it all starts from.
Tide Point is just after Domino. The point is so named as it was the home of Procter & Gamble, makers of Tide, Cheer, Ivory, Dawn, and Joy. It has been completely renovated by Struver Brothers, a development company which specializes in smart growth and renovations, and is
Thanks
now
out
the
here.
corporate campus of Under Armour.
Mommy, look at the
The
road.
tanks you see here are still used in historic classes.
You'll see 3 tanks painted with the images of the 3 sports legends of Baltimore. The Ravens,
Look at that crane boat.
Florida's Cal Ripken Jr. and 5-time Olympics winner, 28 medals, 23 of them gold. And a Baltimore native, Michael Phelps.
Also along the waterfront is the Immigration Center Memorial. The waterfront building that served as the Immigration Center still stands today. It will put it out below.
Look at that big boat over there, Mommy.
You see that boat? We passed that when we were on the highway, remember?
Past that.
Yeah.
Those are the fuel oil companies. They probably use
Over 1
Past
million
it.
immigrants from Germany, Austria, Lithuania,
Oh yeah, we
Ireland,
passed it.
Poland, Russia, Hungary, Czechoslovakia, Italy, and other European nations arrived in Baltimore in the late 1800s and early 1900s, making Baltimore one of the busiest entry points during that time. Blocks and blocks of row houses were quickly erected to accommodate these new arrivals who moved into neighborhoods with fellow nationalities. Thus, Baltimore became a city with many ethnic neighborhoods and cultures, which it remains today. To our left, some of these communities are Harbor East, Little Italy, Fells Point, Canton, and Patterson Park. These are just a few of the hundreds of communities together make up Baltimore and within each we will explore some of these neighborhoods to greater detail. Deeper into the city are more than a dozen prestigious colleges and universities. Some of the most recognizable include the Johns Hopkins University, Peabody Conservatory,
Look at those two boats, Mommy.
University of
Those
Baltimore,
two.
Loyola
They're
University,
the same, Mommy,
College of
right?
Notre Dame, Towson University,
They're the
and Morgan
same,
State
right?
University, just to name a few. Back on our right is a community known as Locust Point.
It's not a lot of fuel.
The large, tall structure with a modern glass facade is the old Baltimore Grain Terminal. Constructed in 1923, it was the biggest and fastest grain elevator in the world. It jutted 290 feet into the air. The grain terminal was the pulse of the world's agricultural life in the new age of industrialism. Every year, nearly 10 miles of conveyor belt carry 3.8 million bushels of grain from rail cars to transatlantic cargo
That's the
ships.
anchors.
These vessels transported the grain to ports all over.
That's where they pull the anchors out.
In typical Baltimore style, it has been rehabbed, and today the 24-story tower houses luxury condominiums and is called Silo Point, again respecting its industrial
Not that
heritage.
bad, but it's one.
It's educational too. So
The two great ships that we passed were reserve vessels owned by the United States Maritime Administration. They have civilian crew, and they have a skilled crew on board to maintain operational readiness. Their mission is primarily humanitarian, and they do respond to earthquakes, hurricanes, and other natural disasters throughout the world. They have what are called row-rows, which means the cargo rolls on and rolls off.
say hi to Kimmy. Say hi, Kimmy.
Hi, Kimmy.
I would call them roll-offs. Roll-off trucks. Because it's roll-off trucks. So you just roll without it.
Yeah, we gotta come back.
Boy, wow.
What?
It's not that long. Say hi, Denise.
Hi, Denise. Bye, bye. Long. Mom, it's very long.
Huh?
It's real long. I think
It's
you might
long.
have there. Huh?
Yeah, long.
It's really long.
And we're alongside the Port's North Locust Point terminal here. One of the cargoes that comes in here is rock salt. You see a stockpile that they put over in here. Also, if you look over on your port side, you'll see White Mountains, and that's rock salt. Baltimore is a major import facility for the Mid-Atlantic states for rock salt. From here, it's shipped throughout the Mid-Atlantic area by both rail and truck.
Oh, they got paddle boats.
Yeah, you want to do a paddle boat?
No, I'm scared.
You want to do a paddle boat?
Yeah. Fall over.
Are you scared of anything?
No.
I didn't think so.
Why you? How are you scared of paddle boat? Man, that jump tip over is over for your life.
And if you look over on the port side, to your left, you'll notice that there's a gray building.
How you
Look at the ball, look at the ball, look at the ball, look at somebody's ball.
That's land perpendicular there.
That's the ball.
Look real close, you'll see a couple
You got my
of
lipstick all
sitting
over
on
your
that pier.
face.
That's Baltimore's heel port. You normally see some activity
big
there
old
during the week.
Baltimore City's fire
Look,
boats
see?
are
They're on
stationed
the paddle
here
boat.
at the edge.
Put a hold on that one.
Right. There they go. That's that thing you were sitting in earlier.
And back here on the starboard side, you'll see some tugboats. Those are docking tugs. They're very powerful, highly maneuverable vessels. They're used to assist the various bulkers, railroads, and container ships that call upon Baltimore during the docking and unlocking procedures.
The captain? That's the captain.
Hi, Captain. They were gonna give me a shout out. He said hi, Doc. He said hi there. He said hi. He thought I was a
Baltimore
girl.
City's fireboats were stationed here at the edge of Fort McHenry.
Say thank
This
you.
facility
Wait, let me put it on you.
1917, when it was established for Engine Company 39 with the same
My souvenir for
fireboat
the
building.
day.
Say thank you.
Today,
Say there's a
the
souvenir
Marine
for the
Division
day.
operates 2 large
Got a
fireboats,
sticker from the captain,
each with
just
a
by
crew of
saying
5,
Oh,
and 2
it
small
says
fire
captain for the
rescue
day.
boats, each with a crew of 2, manned full-time at Baltimore's only remaining fireboat station. The small brick building is now a Naval Reserve Training Center. Mentioned earlier, this building used to be the Immigration Center,
I'm the
where the
cat.
settlers arrived
I'm the
and
cat.
processed in the same fashion as the
I'm
Fort McHenry, the grassy area at the end of Locust Park is Fort McHenry.
Some of them weren't even that.
It is named for James McHenry, who served with George Washington during the Revolutionary War. During the War of 1812, it was the only protection for Baltimore.
Want to sell any
In September of 1814,
Oh, yours is just
British
my
ships had already burned Washington D.C. and had pledged to take Baltimore and clean out what they
Why
referred
when I
to
say
as
hi,
the nest
can you
of
give me a
pirate
stick of Washington? Give me a stick.